Join me as I dive into Dgnx stock and see if I can figure out if it's really about to explode. Dgnx, or Dignify, is a company that's been making waves in the tech industry, particularly in the field of cybersecurity. As we speak, cybersecurity is becoming an increasingly critical aspect of our digital lives, and companies like Dgnx are at the forefront of this trend. With the demand for innovative cybersecurity solutions on the rise, Dgnx has positioned itself as a leader in this space, and its stock has been gaining attention from investors. However, despite its promising trajectory, Dgnx stock has been facing some challenges. One of the major hurdles it's facing is the current market volatility. As we all know, the market can be unpredictable, and even the most promising stocks can take a hit when the market takes a downturn. This has led to some investors growing cautious, and Dgnx's stock price has taken a bit of a hit as a result. Another challenge Dgnx is facing is the intense competition within its sector. There are plenty of other cybersecurity companies vying for market share, and Dgnx needs to continually innovate and stay ahead of the curve to remain competitive. This can be a challenge, especially for a company that's still relatively new to the scene. Furthermore, Dgnx's stock price has been affected by the recent changes in regulatory requirements for cybersecurity companies. This has led to some uncertainty among investors, and as a result, the stock price has taken a hit. In addition, the company's reliance on a few key clients has raised some concerns among investors. If any of these clients were to pull out, it could have a significant impact on Dgnx's revenue and, by extension, its stock price. Looking ahead, there are several factors that could influence Dgnx's stock price. One of the most critical factors is the upcoming earnings report. If the report shows strong revenue growth and a solid financial performance, it could give investors the confidence they need to jump back into the stock. On the other hand, if the report is disappointing, it could lead to a further decline in the stock price. Another factor that could impact Dgnx's stock price is the general trend in the cybersecurity industry. As cybersecurity threats continue to evolve, there's a growing need for innovative solutions, and companies like Dgnx are well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Analyst predictions are also playing a significant role in shaping investor sentiment around Dgnx stock. If analysts start to turn bullish on the stock, it could lead to an influx of new investors and drive up the stock price. And finally, industry trends are also playing a critical role in shaping the stock's trajectory. With the rise of cloud computing and the Internet of Things, cybersecurity is becoming an increasingly critical aspect of business operations, and companies like Dgnx are set to benefit from this trend. In a recent development that could act as a catalyst for Dgnx's stock price movement, the company has announced a major partnership with a leading tech giant. This partnership is expected to drive revenue growth and further solidify Dgnx's position as a leader in the cybersecurity space. According to sources close to the company, this partnership is just the beginning, and there are more announcements in the pipeline that could further drive up the stock price. This news has the potential to be a game changer for Dgnx, and it's definitely worth keeping an eye on in the coming weeks and months. In conclusion, Dgnx stock is a complex and multifaceted beast, and there are many factors that could influence its price movement. While the company faces some significant challenges, it also has some major opportunities on the horizon. What do you guys think about Dgnx stock? Do you think it's about to explode, or do you think it's a recipe for disaster? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more stock analysis and market insights. I'll catch you all in the next video.